Hey guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in, very much welcome. You guys for coming to subscribe, like the video and share, you guys. Now guys, let's just get down to this breaking news now with advocate Thulani Mngomezulu, who represents accused number 1 and 2 in the SenzoMeyiwa murder trial, faces an attempted murder, conspiracy to commit murder, contravention of a protection order and resisting arrest charges dating back to November 2022. So you guys, as we know, the SenzoMeyiwa trial is ongoing, and advocate Thulani Mngomezulu represents accused number 1 and 2. You guys, now you guys on the other side. Now the NPA confirms to the SABC News that one of the Meyiwa's defense lawyers, advocate Thulani Mngomezulu, who represents or accused number 1 and 2 in the SenzoMeyiwa murder trial, faces an attempted murder, conspiracy to commit murder, contravention of a protection order and resisting arrest charges dating back to November 2022. Now the complainant is his wife Thulani Mngomezulu, whom he works with on the case. Now she wanted to withdraw that case, you guys, but the NPA declined to withdraw. So now you guys indaba zika baba Thulani Mngomezulu. Now in addition to now, the Legal Practice Council has confirmed that according to their records that Thulani Mngomezulu, the lawyer for the accused number 1 and 2 in the SenzoMeyiwa murder trial, is listed as an attorney on its records and not an advocate. But now the LPC says attorneys can be granted permission to appear in High Court. The court itself would need to give him permission to appear before it. Now this is a lot, you guys. This is the news is Buti Thulani Mngomezulu. He has done something there, you guys. Back in 2022, he attempted, I do not know, to unalive his wife and children because he was allegedly trying to pour some petrol up in you guys, and when it comes to him being and against his wife and children, trying to do those GBV stuff, you guys. Now now I wanna go to my replies because this was posted by Griselda Lewis. As I did watch the news though, now she posted here on Twitter. Now someone is saying if it was there for now, or it was there for before, now it is Mngomezulu. I don't disagree with them being held accountable, but it's quite interesting that their skeletons suddenly surface when they seem to be hitting the spot in the trial. I hope Mshololo doesn't have any skeletons too that will get her off the case. It's something that I thought though when I was alone. I was like, advocate therefore went through a lot. It's like these attorneys, you guys, when the Martin about to nail it, something happens and kuzo qhamuka izindaba zakhe zakudala ezizovunjululwa ukuthi you know what, there was a case against him or her, there was this and that. For me, this is what came in my mind when I see indaba zika advocate Mngomezulu. I was like, now they had to dig and dig in indaba zaka back at the year 2022. What happened? Because the wife tried to cancel those charges. The NPA said no. You know what I mean, you guys? I do not know. When it comes to the law and stuff, you guys, for some of us, we are not really good, but you can tell. I've always seen this, but why? You know why? It's like kuba ngenye indlela yokuthi nje simsuse kule trial, kule case nje. They always have to find something against those guys. my question is, why? I'm not saying he's innocent. I'm just saying, why is it that most of them, see, as we therefore went through a lot, you guys. Now it's Mngomezulu. That's why someone here is saying next week or something like that. They just have to go and dig something. Ngati like bayilandelele past yakho ne, bayilandelele just to find something against you, something to use against you. I do not know, you guys. Now Advocate Mngomezulu's case, it was opened by his wife, you know. I saw it on the news, something about him trying to commit some suicide there. Paraffin or petrol, something like that, you guys. The wife then went to open the case. That was in 2022. So now bahambe bayivumbulula, you guys. Angazi mina angisho ukuthi ayingavunjulula, sengiyasho ukuthi why is it that ngathi sekuthanda ukujwayeleka ukuthi mangabe besebenza kahle kulawa ama case ikhona history yabo ezakuvunjulula. Remember when it comes to that Thabo Bester one, those Thabo Bester's attorneys, both of them, history yabo yavumbuka kwathiwa hayi banamacala ngale. Good to you know what? How are they representing Thabo Bester? Because now they also have their own. I was like, now you guys. Now Thulani Mngomezulu une case eyavulwa unkosikazi wakhe sebeyivumbululile, you guys, as he's busy representing accused number 1 and 2. You know what I'm saying? Someone said this case will drag until I have grandkids. I'm telling you, this one is gonna drag until siba nabazukulu. Someone then said next Mshorolo will be accused of something, and then someone said we should just accept that we will never find out what happened to Senzo. And then someone said delaying tactics again, our justice is a joke, it's a shame. And then someone said, why are they not arresting the people who were inside the house once and for all? Someone said the hashtag SenzoMeyiwa trial will never end, drama after drama. People just amazed. Someone say, my goodness, someone, oh, you know, kuningi. People are just seeing this the way I see it. I'm glad because I am not the only one. You know, she didn't open the case. I'm just saying, why is it that every time they have to find something against these attorneys or these lawyers, something like that? Then someone said, now I believe that did I say cop? Now I believe that top brass are hugely involved in this case. Therefore went as far as mentioning Ramaphosa that he too is involved. His arrest in court, etc. We must forget about getting justice for Senzo. Somebody saying the NPA wants Mngomezulu out of the case just like they did with the others. And then someone said why is the NPA confirming the case to the SABC News? Why is it that the information is coming out to light now when people are being exposed in the Meyiwa trial? Exactly. Yabona masebelapho ukuthi ngathi sebeyibamba ngathi sebeseduzane nje nokuthi bafike egcineni. Sebethole something against the lawyer, something yabona sekuphuma omunye lawyer, sekungena omunye lawyer. Hayi manje sesichange judge. Hayi manje you know what, someone said this is going to drag until we have grandkids. I'm telling you. Minanje, I'm seeing the delay tactics here, and I'm not saying Mngomezulu didn't do anything like GPV at home in his house. I'm not saying he didn't. And then that means he did. But now, why is it every time you just want to bring their history? People were getting exposed, you know. Hayi Mngomezulu naye unecala unkosikazi wakhe wayemvulela icala. Hayi ngeke. Then someone said Mngomezulu was getting too close to unmasking the truth. Senzo's brother and therefore warned us about Gininda and the prevailing corruption that hangs over this case. It is strange that the NPA refused to withdraw. As they say in the streets, South Africa is a movie. And then somebody was saying, and they want us to believe that they were intruders. Okay. Someone said this will lead to the restart of the process where Advocate Mngomezulu joined the defense team. Another delay. There is someone big being protected here. Sadly, the NPA is allowing itself to be a political tool. It seems the Zondo Commission was a waste of time and resources. You guys, it's deja vu. The same thing happened to Advocate Malisela. Therefore, what weighs for him is he was arrested in court. The timing of the NPA is always suspicious. And then someone saying someone is working really hard on this case. Now they must get new lawyers and start again. I'm telling you, since they are doing this, they want to remove Mngomezulu. There's going to be a new lawyer. I'm telling you, okay, now we are changing that judge. Remember, we changed the judge and then we had to restart the whole thing. We are going to restart again. Believe me. Ngiyakutshela ngoba vele masekufika lapho ekutheni ke manje sesiphezulu kodaba sesiseduze nokubamba ababulali. Hayi bavele baqala ukuyidlala igame yabo, you guys. Bayakwazi nokuyidlala nje futhi. They're going to find history on the lawyers. They're going to change the lawyer. They're going to bring you information, or else we are going to restart the whole thing. Futhi iyoqalwa ka sekuchange ngisho ujudge mntaka baba. Hayi ngiyakutshela. Somebody here is saying, I don't follow this case anymore. We are the mafia state. The sooner we make peace and the better. South Africa's problem is easily solved. We have a power to vote and let us vote. Aibo, see for the ANC, then what's going to happen? Therefore arrested now Mngomezulu. This case keeps on giving. They keep on vumbulula. You guys know. Poor SenzoMeyiwa. Like, I'm not giving justice. I colento. Isazotrek omunye 5 years le case ayikho le ndaba. Umfocus Senzo spoke to ENCA over the weekend. One of the key points he made is that a Brigadier Gininda is very, very dangerous. Let me leave it here. Ayibambe lapho mntaka mina ngiyaku understand nje ngempela kule comment. Uthi SenzoMeyiwa did say ukuthi he knows Brigadier Gininda, he's a very dangerous person, and you know what, because he's worked at the police station for over 20 years. That was SenzoMeyiwa's brother. What, that guy is very dangerous, he's very manipulative and all that. You know what, asiyeke lapho nje something. The state is resorting to underhand tactics because these 5 innocent men did not kill SenzoMeyiwa. Can't wait when they sue the living hell out of the NPA. Begicele and Advocate Baloy, the person who killed SenzoMeyiwa must be really connected. Hayi ngiyakutshela uconnected mntaka futhi nje upowerful ngoba hayi uyabona nje ukuthi le edlalwayo Lol Kelly Khumalo implicated in the case that Mngomezulu faces charges of attempted murder. Hey, South Africa, this is someone. Then somebody said, so wife is a lawyer and she wanted to withdraw with all her legal knowledge, and NPA insist on continuing with the witness. But Uti Batohi is a star performer on silly things. I do not know how this case has turned political now. Kuningi, you guys, everyone is just not buying the story. Mngomezulu. Why do they have to go and dig that past? You can see exactly what is happening here. Minanje, I'm not saying Mngomezulu didn't do the GPV. I'm just saying, but no. It was a sporty footy. Poor SenzoMeyiwa, you guys. Maybe it's better and people will just accept ukuthi SenzoMeyiwa passed away. Magayilalele ngokuthula. Uzoyilwele sethuneni. We do not know. Maybe the Meyiwa family is high time they accept ukuthi uyazini washona umntwana ethu washona akukho singakwenza ngoba nje le elapha ecourt. Hayi ngiyigame mntaka film like movie kujwe sekere. It's a 5 year 10 year 15 year movie. Yakutshela ayipheli. I can't get you guys. But anyways, these are just my thoughts and my opinions. Advocate Mngomezulu sebayivumbulula ke indaba zakhe zakudala. You guys, I'm sure they are just trying to make sure we are phuma lapha bazoletha omunye omsha ethese khona naye bathole futhi indaba zakhe ezakudala. Wow, these people are really connected and they are very powerful. I mean, whoever is being protected is very moneyed. Mhlawumbe bayikhokhe yonke into phela abathi money talks, you guys. You know what? Wow, agibambe lapho nje nambe ngabe ngisayile kude ngoba hayi cha ngemntaka wethu in the comment section, like the video, subscribe, and then I'll meet you again on my next upload. Bye.